Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to give you easy to follow steps on how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, you need to ensure that your system actually has Bluetooth hardware. If you are unsure about this, I recommend looking up your system's model number online and seeing if it has Bluetooth hardware. If it does, you can move on with the following steps. Open up your browser and in the search window here, type in Intel Bluetooth driver Windows 10, then hit enter. This is the option we want. Click it. Now down here, click this download button. Read through this, then click this button. Now if we click the icon at the top right corner of the screen, you see our download has started. Once the download is complete, click it, then click run. Once this page opens up, click next. Now click next again. Read through this. Once you're done with that, tick this checkbox, then click next. Here you can choose the type of installation you want. For now, just go with typical. Finally click install. Once the installation is complete, click finish, then restart your system. After restarting your system, click the Windows icon, then type Bluetooth. Click this option. Here you can turn Bluetooth on or off, and you can also connect your Bluetooth devices. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.